students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7, comparing quantities, example 4. The question is, the cost of a pair of roller skates at a shop was rupees 450. The sales tax charged was 5%. Find the bill amount. So generally when we go and purchase any item in a shop, right, we will get the extra tax price. That tax price also will be added with the original MRP of the particular item, and then we will get the final amount to pay the bill, right. So that is similar way we are going to calculate here also. So here they are saying that the cost of a pair of roller skates at a shop was rupees 450. So the cost of the item, it is equal to rupees 450. Okay, and then additionally they have a sales tax which is cost around 5%. So sales tax is 5%. So the total bill amount we have to find out. Total bill amount is generally given by cost of the item plus the tax. Okay, so tax amount we have to add. Okay, so here they have given sales tax is around 5%. Okay, so we have to find out for this amount, right, for this cost, what is 5% amount? That is nothing but tax amount. Okay, so tax amount is given by 5% of cost of the item. Okay, so the cost of the item is known, tax percentage is known. Okay, so when we multiply these two, we will get the tax amount. So 5% is nothing but 5 by 100 into, what is the cost of the item? Cost of the item, it is 450. Okay, so 0 0 get cancelled, 5 2s are 10, 9 5s are 45. Okay, so again 9 5s are 45. 45 divided by 2. So when you divide this number by 2, 2 2s are 4. So here you have 5, right. So 2 2s are again 4. Balance is 1. So put one decimal point here and then put one 0 here. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. So when you divide 45 by 2, we will get 22.5. So the tax amount is rupees 22.5. Rupees 22.5. So we know that already the bill amount is given by cost of the item plus tax amount. Okay, what is the cost of the item? It is 450. Okay, so cost of the item is 450 and the tax amount calculated is 22.5. So just add both the value, we will get the bill amount. So here it is 0.5, here it is 2, here it is 7, here it is 4. So the bill amount is given by 472.5. Okay, this is the final answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching.